Good day, everyone. Now let us solve this question. 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 8 equals to 0. So the first thing you are going to do now is you need to understand mathematics very well. Now 2 raised to power 2x can be written as 2 raised to power x all raised to power 2. It's the same thing. Plus the under indices 2 raised to power x dot 2 raised to power 1 minus 8 equals to 0. Now, so this one now is, that's how we used to write it under indices. And it means the same thing. Now, from there now, 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 plus, now we have common factor here, which is 2. Now 2 into 2 raised to power x, so we have 2 raised to power x, okay, minus 8 equals to 0. Now when you now look at what we have now, we can now easily say let y equals to 2 raised to power x. Because we have 2 raised to power x here, we have 2 raised to power x there. So then it will now give us y squared plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. So when you look at what we have now, we have quadratic equation. And when you have quadratic equation, you can solve it by factorization method, elimination, or by almighty formula, or completing the square method. But this one now, let us choose factorization method. Now you will now think about two factors that when you multiply the two together, it will give you minus 8. And when you add the two together, it will give you what? Plus 2. So what are we going to use like that? We are going to use 4 and minus 2. So when you have 4 and minus 2, it will give you that 4 minus 2 equals to 2, and 4 times minus 2 equals to minus 8. So those are the two factors that we are going to use. So from there, it will now give us y squared plus 4y minus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. So what is the common factor here? Y into y squared, y plus 4. Here minus 2 into y plus 4 equals to 0. Now y minus 2. You pick one, these two are common, so you pick one, y plus 4. So everything equals to 0. Are we together? So as we now have it like this, it will now give us y minus 2 equals to 0, or y plus 4 equals to 0. So as we now have it like this, now it will now give us y equals to 2, or y equals to minus 4. So now that we now have it to be like this, so you now go back, you now say recall that, here we let y equals to 2 raised to power x. Recall that y equals to 2 raised to power x. So which means now it will now give us this y now equals to 2. So we now have it to be 2 raised to power x equals to 2. So when you have 2 raised to power x equals to 2, it's easy. Then what can you add? So it will now give you raised to power 1. So 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 1. So when the base are equal, then you equate the base. So this base now will cancel this base. We now have x to be equals to 1. So as we have x equals to 1 now, so that's the first answer. Then you now check for the second one, where we have 2 raised to power x equals to minus 4. So in this case, now when you look at what we have, 2 raised to power x equals to minus 4. So if you let your x to be 2 raised to power 2 can never equals to minus 4. 2 raised to power 1 can never equals to minus 4. So we now say we reject this answer. Reject. Then this one is correct answer now. So you now need to check to be sure whether you are right. So we now have it to be, we have our x to be equals to 1. So we now go back to the question where we have 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 raised to power x plus 1 minus 8 equals to 0. Now our x equals to 1. So which means now we have 2 raised to power 2 times 1 plus 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 minus 8 equals to 0. So 2 times 1, 2. So 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. 2 raised to power 2 minus 8 equals to 0. Now 2 times 2, 4 plus 4 minus 8 equals to 0. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8 equals to 0. So 8 minus 8, 0. 0 equals to 0. So which means we are right. Are we together? So x equals to 1. So that's the answer. Means you are free to make your comment, and if there is anything you are not clear about, you can ask your question. So kindly help us like it, share it, and download it. Bye.